prime and composite numbers video. Prime. Numbers you can only get by multiplying the number and 1. Composite. Numbers you can only get by multiplying a series of numbers to get the answer. So, as an example, that's like 1 times 7. You can't get 7 with any other number but 1. But 9 times 2, that gets you 18, and 2 times 9 equals 18, and 1 times 18 equals 18, right? So really, composite numbers you can use more factors to get the number. Bye, Kierra. Thank you, and please subscribe to our channel. And even if you don't like it, please subscribe. Thank you, and goodbye.